Best PC motherboard BIOS flash tools ensure safe firmware updates, improve hardware compatibility, enhance system stability, and easier recovery from failed BIOS installations. My today's video is about top 5 best PC motherboard BIOS flash tools that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AI Trip EEPROM BIOS USB Program. The CH341A USB Programmer Kit is an excellent tool for technicians, PC repair enthusiasts, and BIOS recovery users who need reliable EEPROM and SPI flash programming. Its compatibility with TL866, EZP2010, RT809H, and CH341A programmers makes it highly versatile for working with 24CXX and 25 series chips. The included SOIC8/SOP8 test clip is built with durable beryllium copper-plated needles, allowing direct in-circuit programming without soldering, saving both time and effort during repairs. This programmer performs backup, erase, calibration, and flashing operations efficiently, making it ideal for motherboard BIOS recovery and EEPROM maintenance. The 3.3V and 5V switching support adds flexibility, though users should carefully confirm chip voltage before use to avoid damage. Another useful feature is the responsive manual support provided by the seller for setup guidance. Overall, this kit delivers solid performance, broad chip compatibility, and excellent convenience for electronics troubleshooting and BIOS flashing tasks. Now our second product is Viki USB EEPROM Flash BIOS Programmable. This universal programmer delivers impressive performance for electronics repair, BIOS flashing, and microcontroller programming tasks. Its ability to support 4 programmers simultaneously on one computer greatly improves productivity for professional technicians and advanced hobbyists. The compact design, low power consumption, and cool operation make it reliable for long working sessions without overheating concerns. One of its strongest advantages is the extensive protection system, including 40-pin overvoltage protection and advanced VCC/VPP overcurrent safeguards that help prevent chip or PC damage during programming. The wide compatibility with more than 15,000 chips, including serial and parallel flash devices up to 48-pin, makes it extremely versatile for repair shops and engineering projects. The high-speed ICSP interface provides efficient serial downloading and parallel high-voltage programming support, while CMOS 4000 and 7454 series IC testing adds extra diagnostic capability. RC calibration support for AVR microcontrollers is another valuable feature for advanced users handling encrypted chips and calibration-sensitive applications. Our third product is a CERMC SOIC8/SOP8 Flash Chip Programmer BIOS. The CH341A programmer with SOP8 test clip is a practical and affordable solution for BIOS flashing, EEPROM backup, and chip recovery tasks. One of its biggest advantages is the ability to perform in-circuit programming without removing the EEPROM chip from the motherboard, making repairs faster and reducing the risk of board damage. The included SOP8 clip works well with 24CXX, 25CXX, and 93CXX series chips, providing solid compatibility for common BIOS repair jobs. This programmer handles essential operations such as backup, erase, programming, and calibration efficiently, making it suitable for technicians, PC repair enthusiasts, and electronics hobbyists. Support for most 24 and 25 series EEPROM BIOS chips adds flexibility for different motherboard brands and devices. However, users should note that certain ESMT SST25 series chips are read-only with the CH341A and cannot be written. Also, some motherboard layouts may prevent direct clip access due to surrounding circuits. Overall, it remains a reliable and cost-effective BIOS programming tool. Now number 4. Fancy Whoop EEPROM BIOS USB Programmer Kit. This CH341A BIOS Programmer Kit is a highly useful tool for BIOS flashing, EEPROM repair, and firmware recovery across a wide range of electronics. Its support for 1.8V Macronix BIOS chips makes it especially valuable for modern laptop and motherboard repairs, while the included adapter set improves compatibility with different chip types and sizes. The package comes complete with a programmer, 1.8V adapter, SOP8 converter module, and SYC8 test clip, providing everything needed for most BIOS recovery tasks. The programmer works smoothly across multiple Windows operating systems, including Windows 10, 7, XP, and Vista, making it convenient for older repair setups. It is suitable for desktop motherboards, routers, LCD displays, TVs, DVD devices, and set-top boxes. The upgraded 32-bit ARM CPU and USB 2.0 interface noticeably improve programming and wiping speed, while automatic chip recognition simplifies operation for beginners and professionals alike. Overall, this kit delivers strong performance, broad compatibility, and excellent value for electronics repair work. And our last choice is a TOLTOL T48 Programmer 8 adapters. The T48 Programmer is a powerful upgrade over the popular TL866-2 Plus, offering faster performance, broader chip support, and improved professional feature for BIOS repair and chip programming. Built on a 32-bit 120 MHz MCU with a durable 4-layer PCB design, it delivers noticeably higher programming speed and stable operation, especially when handling high-capacity NAND and eMMC chips up to 256 GB. Its support for high-voltage chips with VPP up to 25V gives it a major advantage over older programmers, making it suitable for advanced electronics repair, development work, and small-batch chip production. The ability to run up to 4 programmers simultaneously on one computer is also highly useful for technicians and repair centers. The included adapters greatly expand compatibility with different chip packages, while the industrial-grade 40-pin ZF socket ensures reliable chip insertion and replacement. Support for multiple languages and Windows systems from XP to Windows 11 makes the software accessible and easy to use. Overall, the T48 is an excellent professional-grade programmer with outstanding versatility and speed. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.